Hi everyone, we are on week 4 of this beautiful month of January, session 1. Congrats to you for completing the first 3 weeks of the year together and moving for those first 15 days. Let's knock out this week and then we'll be 20 days in of movement, giving you those weekends off, or maybe you're practicing on your own. Go ahead and widen your feet. Good. Exhale your hands to your thighs, just stick out your bum and then gently stand up. Good. Do that twice more. Stick out your bum. Don't see it as a squat. Just see it as a nice low seat towards the ground, opening up those hips. Good. Hold here. 3. Hands on thighs. 2. Exhale, press up. 1. Good. Shake out right leg, shake out left leg with me. Beautiful. All right. Now from there, we're going to inhale our arms up to the sky. Good. Exhale, have a seat. Good. Inhale, breathe in. You're going to open your mouth wide. It's called a ha breath as you pull your fists down by your sides and come to standing, which we call fist of fire. So inhale, reach up. Good. Inhale. 3 more. Last one. Good. Slow down your breathing. See if that elevated your heart rate a little bit, even made you a little bit lightheaded from the breath, but just relaxing. Good. We're going to do that one more time. Inhale, reach your arms up, sit low. Good. Exhale. Last 3. Last one. Good. Relax and settle. Again, notice if that big amount of breath, especially early in the morning, felt intense or maybe really rejuvenating. We're going to add another breath. It's called breath of joy. So it's an inhale, 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 and then a big exhale. All right? So you take your thumbs up. You bring your hands in like this. 3 inhales followed by 1 exhale. And again, I'm introducing a lot of pranayama, which is breath, to you right now. And you might be like, I don't know what's going on. So we watch and then do it. All right? Or just join when you can. 3 breaths. Good. Again. 1 more. Good. Relax. And maybe that up and down is a lot for you. So you don't have to go all the way forward. You just go a little bit. But it really, really, again, helps rejuvenate. It helps wake up. It helps get the body going and feeling good. All right. Let's run through that one more time. 3 rounds total. It's 3 inhales followed by 1 exhale. Breath in. 2 more. Last one. Good. Inhale, rise. Close your eyes. Place your hands on your belly and your heart and just feel your breath. Good. Now bring your feet a little closer together. You're going to bring yourself into your chair. So we worked on this last week when we did our Sun Salutation B series. You're going to bring your hands to heart center. This time we're going to add a twist. So cross one elbow over your thigh. I don't care which side you do. And then give me a nice twist this morning. Good. You should start to feel a little bit more awake than when we started. And then maybe you open up those arms. Good. Inhale, stand up. Good. Let's do the same thing on the other side. Come into chair again. Inhale. Exhale, pull your hands to your heart. Breath in. Twist the opposite side. Again, I don't care which side you're on. Don't worry about left and right. Just twist. Good. Maybe you open your arms. Good. And then stand up. Beautiful. Do it again, a little different. Widen your feet. Bend your knees, hands at heart. Good. Exhale, place your hand down on the ground if you can. Use a little block or a prop if you need to. Raise your opposite arm up. You can stay there or straighten your legs. Good. Exhale, fold forward. Bone by bone, stand up. Good. Exhale, squat. Other side. Reach up. Straighten your legs if you want. Good. Fold forward. Slowly rise up. You are done with your morning movement. Introduced with you your Ha breath with fist of fire, breath of joy, and your twist. Have a wonderful day, and I'll see you tomorrow.